Hey Jinmos, gangster hard casting Kiki. On to 6. It's not comfortable. Jeez. I guess when you scry that much, you get to find all your Gerald's messenger. 4. Hard casted? How's it usually casted, Inmos? Like, how else do you cast it? Cat with the sunglasses? Right on. Yeah, he's got me on the ropes now. Oh, chord it? Kiki chord? Okay. Odd.
Detector. I drive 1,000 miles an hour. I won't go on. But you are always looking out for me. You and I go shopping and find exactly what we're looking for. You and I go shopping. Detector. I drive 1,000 miles an hour. I won't go on and on. You are always looking out for me because you are.
Here's another messenger. I'm dead. Did Birthing Pod get banned? What does he got up his sleeve? Rally the ancestors. Oh. Okay. Alright, so RIP is good here. Hey, Leyline will protect me from Gerald's messenger, right? Target opponent loses 2 life. Yep. So Leylines are real good here. Judgment, I think, is pretty good. This is a backup plan. RIP is good. Take out some of our looting, so those aren't as good with Rest in Peace. Shusher isn't needed. Mad Prophet is a little slow. Bolt isn't great. Splicer did a lot of work that time. Oblivion Ring is kind of slow. And we have Path. Try 61. We'll try this. Again, I don't know what to loot here. It's all good stuff. 61 card special, yeah, buddy. That's how we do. I think you run out Rest in Peace right away. It might cringe him to death. That's funny, Gmos. We run a lot of lands in this deck, so 61 cards is not a bad idea. Bloodthrone Vampire, okay. Does he board into these or something? This Day of Judgment. Wait till he runs out some more dudes. The MTG bot is good. I allow URLs in this in the chat, so you get a lot of spammers. I think I wait and Day of Judgment him. Might be able to smell it out though. Seer, okay. Here we go. Cost me 2 life. It's a pretty good 2-for-1.
It's the same diff. When I meet a girl that's so out of this world, need a spaceship. We could put it all together, let's make shift. But I don't ever make moves, only make hits. I'm on a fame clip.
I'll get to scry. Scry twice.
Never a contestant, I'm betting you'll never play me. I'd rather be the host, Chelsea lately. So I'm feeling like Hercules. And if looks could steal, this would be a burglary. Took the wheel and looking like he hurting me. But I ain't trying to get burned to the 3rd degree. And it's hard when she's saying what she do to me. Joan McHale, she up in my community. Turn me on and turning me like mutiny. But I be living in Atlanta, opportunities to say word. Oh yeah, the drink's on me. We can mess around if we stay low key. All these other women say they know me. But shh, tighten up, just tighten up. Oh yeah, the drink's on me. We can mess around if we stay low key. All these other women say they know me. But shh, tighten up, just tighten up. Stay down. When I see kids, I remember when we lived on the playground. Now we living in the sky cause we plane bound. But I don't ever break rules, only break sound. I'm on my takeout. Can't choose, just try me. Big money budget, I love it like Pat Riley. I ain't never bought with these labels.
I think we Blade Splice here. Taking a lot of damage off our battle battle. Gotta get some value off of Restoration here. Oh yeah, the drink's on me. We can mess around if we stay low key. All these Okay. He was not drawing well, huh? Splicer loot. I didn't know what to loot though. I have such good stuff. I don't know what I would get rid of. That's what looting. I don't know about this looting card. It's good sometimes, but if I have good stuff, I'm like I don't want to loot till the later game. Just when I'm getting rid of lands or something. 61 card special. At the combo in hand, backup resto. Need a spell skite. Oh yeah, Brett, Leyline with the loot. Rest in peace. Poured out looting. Oh yeah, I did mostly. I think I left in a few. I don't know.
Pimp C died in a Los Angeles hotel room. The LA County Coroner's Office ruled the rapper's death accidental and attributed to a combination of
apnea and syrup. And we know that syrup on the streets usually has codeine.
Absolutely. We have a problem now with the cough syrup epidemic.
He rolled up, asked him what he was sipping on. Said lean. You wanna hit it, dog? That's the same stuff Wheezy sipping, huh? And tons of other rappers that be spitting hard. Yep, he had fiber bone. I'm gonna pass him that styrofoam. The Easter pink heard it rhyme before. Finally got to see what all the hype was on. And then he took a sip, sitting in the Lincoln, thinking he was pipping as he listened to
We have the combo with double backups of each. Just need to get some lands. Last not died before then.
To the base, gulp. Months later, the use went up. And every blunt was accompanied by the pink stuff. But goddamn, you love that feeling. Purple rain coated in the throat, just so healing. Medicine alleviate the sickness. Liquid to fix them, it comes with the cost. Wake up, cold.
I was gonna path, but since he has two of them, it doesn't really do much. Pathing just one of them. He'll probably sack one of them himself anyway eventually. So let's just wait. Good, we drew a land. That's really good. We're working our way there. Got a Blade Splicer, turn 3.
We live on the cusp of death, thinking that it won't be us. It won't be us. It won't be us. It won't be us. Nah, it won't be us. He just wanted to act like them. He just wanted to rap like him. Us as rappers underestimate.
Here come the beatdowns.
That we have on these kids. Blunt past, being pushed, harassed by the feds.
No messenger.
The fact of it is, most people that rap like this talking about some shit they haven't lived. Surprise. You know the drill. Trapped in a box, decline.
Let's get an exile path.
Violence, drugs, and sex cells. You try to sound like someone else. This is not Californication. There's no way to glorify this pavement. Syrup, Percocet, hit an 8 a day will leave you broke, depressed, and emotionally vacant. Despite how Lil Wayne lives, it's not conducive to being creative.
Did he forget to sack it? Isn't he able? Can he have sacked it to a scry? Oh, he can't sack it when I path it?
Months later, I'm in the same place. No music made, feeling like a failure. And trust me, it's not dope to be 25 and
Blade Splicer time.
Parents' basement. I seen my people's dreams die. I seen what they can be denied. And weed's not a drug that's denied. Groundhog Day life repeat each time. I seen Oxycontin take 3 lives.
Oh, maybe he wanted land. Maybe he set the auto yield, whatever, and didn't think I'd be pathing his dudes. Yeah, that's what I thought. He could sack it in response.
Those pills, that crumb, that roach. Think I will never do that, not that drug. Growing up, nobody ever does. Until you're stuck, looking in the mirror like I can't believe what I become. So I was gonna be someone, and growing up, everyone always does.